Welcome to our YouTube channel, your Spanish learning partner. Whether you're a total beginner or brushing up your skills, our easy-to-follow lessons, real-life conversations, and practical tips will help you learn Spanish fast and have fun doing it. Let's start pronouncing. Let's pronounce alphabets now. Go. 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 Let's pronounce next alphabet. R. 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 Let's pronounce next alphabet. S. 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 Let's pronounce next alphabet. T. 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 Let's pronounce next alphabet. U. 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 Let's pronounce next alphabet. V. 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 Let's pronounce next alphabet. W. 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 Let's pronounce next alphabet. X. 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 Let's pronounce next alphabet. Y. 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 Let's pronounce next alphabet. Z. 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 Z.